Hello, this is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping. I'm out here in Hudsonville, Michigan, and we just landscaped this entire property, including these front landscape beds. A lot of these plants were existing, and we just kind of added some areas, but we mainly mulched in here. And this was our access with our machine. But the main part of the project was installing these walkways with crusher fines. We compacted crusher fines and put edging along the sides on each side, and then mulch and plants along the side. And then back here, we did the same thing. We left a little ground cover area here, but mainly added mulch and some stones and plants along the back edge, and we regraded all of this. This was not usable space. It was all completely filled in and unusable space. And they wanted to have a nice backyard with grass. And then we put this walkway in here as well, leading up to the deck. And then back here they have a shed area, and we installed this crusher fine walkway leading back to this this cool shed here where they store some of their summer items. And finally back here we continued the landscape and the grading back here and put in grass area. And then we put these red twig dogwood along the fence there. And so overall, very pleased with the way it turned out, and just wanted to give a quick video on the outcome. Thank you so much. Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping.